I am going to do a taste test review for the Hunter Pappadums. So I got 4 flavors here, and you know, as someone who's not Indian, I actually really like Pappadum because I heard that the calorie intake, the calorie in this chips, in this Indian / Sri Lankan chips, are lower than our usual, potato chips, like, favorite Doritos and stuff like that. But the funny thing is, as I Google, it turns out like what in per 100 grams of calories, like 300 something. So I'm like, insane, that's a lot. Like your girl loves to like eat something with like low calories, so I can eat as much as possible. But then, I mean, per 100 grams, 300, that's pretty a lot, Wow! Anyway, let's stop talking about how much I love to avoid calorie while still wanting to eat a lot. Let's just do a taste test review for this. This is my first taste test review. If you are excited to see more of this, you can just comment down below and comment on like the food that you want me to review, and I'll do that. So the first one, I opened one because I was just too hungry, and I choose this one because it's really like green chili. I love spicy food. Okay, but since I already opened this, why not we open the next one? So this one is made of crushed black pepper and this is my favorite sound. Shit. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it has like black pepper traces on the chips. Because actually the more you bite on it, the more you chew on it, the black pepper flavor sort of just like come in and like surge in, and it's beautiful. And without diminishing the real flavor of Pappadum, which is my favorite. I love it. This is really nice. I will give this 8/10 because it's awesome. Moving on to the blue one. And this is made, the flavor is simply cumin. I don't know if I like cumin, I don't know if many people like cumin, but let's just try this one out. Just love that sound. And, ooh, this has a stronger spice smell. It's cumin. If you like cumin, you're gonna like it. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. It tastes like India. This is really good, you guys. Oh god. Wait a minute. So, if per 100 grams, it's 300 calories. Over here it has 120 grams, which means mostly the whole bottle gives you 350 calories, which is like super not bad. And you can enjoy chips that taste really amazing, made of lentil, a healthier option. And this is amazing. I really like this. I thought I wouldn't like the strong cumin smell on the taste, but this actually is so addictive. I love it. Okay, moving on is the Kashmiri red chili. Ooh, red chili. I love chili. I just love all the flavors that it has. I feel like it is it's different than our typical potato chips. That again, this is not potato chips, but I really like the whole concept. When I first saw this in the store, I was so thrilled. So this one costs $5 each, and you get 120 grams. And in my supermarket in Indonesia, there are 4 flavors. So I will link the website for this chips in the description box below. This video is not sponsored. I'm just really liking Pappadums, so when I saw it, I was like, yes, honey, gonna get it. Because over here it's really quite hard to get Pappadum. The first time I had it, it was in London, and we got this packet where you just like put each piece into the microwave for 10 seconds and it's done, and it tastes so good. There's like not much of this like flavoring, you know, involved, but the original taste itself is like amazing. So yeah, this is the cashmere red chili. It tastes like, let's say you are having fun in Disneyland and then you walk past the turkey stand, the turkey leg stand. Why am I talking about the turkey leg barbecue stand? It doesn't smell like this, but it reminds me of that feeling of like that happiness when you're in Disneyland, you know, walking by the turkey leg stand, you kind of want to buy the turkey leg. So that kind of feeling. It's amazing. Okay, so this is distinctly spicier than all the chips that I've tried. I really like it. It tastes spicy, salty, and Pappadums. Is that even a word? But yeah, amazing. Oh my god, this tastes insane. I love it. I would give this also, no, okay. I love the cumin. Cumin's my favorite. So I'll give this 8.5 upon 10. Moving on, last but not least, the green one, my favorite color. But this is green chili garlic again. And because I already opened it, my bad, I'm sorry. It smells like green chili. It smells like, you know, the typical green, the typical black pepper flavor that you buy from the normal potato chips. This is what it smells like. I don't know why I feel so happy trying this one. I like the flavor. It's not super rich. It's like just enough to make you want to keep digging in and take another one, digging in and take another one, you know? It's really good. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I'm making videos about tasting food and just like eating, but I'm gonna gain so much weight. That is bad, but yeah. So if you haven't tried these Pappadums by Hunter, go ahead. I guarantee you, if you like Pappadums, if you love Indian food, you're gonna love these chips. And let me know if you want me to try. Let me know if you want me to do another taste test review for your favorite snacks, maybe, or should try like maybe you should try Indonesian snacks because I live in Indonesia. Yeah, just let me know. I will try to make as many videos about food as her requested. Yeah, so comment down below, have you ever tried these chips before? If you do, what flavor do you like? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just click the link down below. I do beauty videos, I do fashion videos, and I am slowly going to do more food videos because I love food, I love snacks, I love everything. If you like this video, please thumbs up so I know, and subscribe because we can discover new food together and new fashion trend together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. I'm sending you all my hugs and all my besos, and cheers to good vibes, and bye.